This looks like stained glass from another world. But every speck of it came from solving one equation.
One equation made this whole picture?
And the way you solve it decides what you see. Let's build this up from scratch. We'll start with what an answer even is, and end where the edges turn to chaos. First, what does it even mean to solve an equation? Solving means finding where it lands on zero, its answer. Take x squared equals 2. It has two answers, near plus and minus 1.4.
And complex numbers?
Stretch the number line into a flat plane, and we can ask richer questions. On that plane, z cubed equals 1 has three answers, evenly spaced around a circle. Next, how does a computer actually find one of these answers? It begins with a wild guess, a point anywhere on the plane. Then it steps, again and again, edging closer to an answer.
Like rolling downhill until you stop?
Just like that, and there are many such step-by-step methods. Watch a few guesses travel home to the answer they reach. Now here is the trick that paints the picture. Every starting point eventually lands on one of the three answers. So we color each point by the answer it reaches.
And all those colored points together make the image?
Three answers, three colors, a map of destinies. This whole picture is just that map, computed point by point. But the method you choose leaves its own fingerprint. Solve the very same equation a different way, and the same three answers redraw into a different pattern.
Same answers, but a different picture?
Same destinations, only the journeys differ. So the art is really a portrait of the algorithm. Finally, look hard at where the colors meet. Deep inside each color, every guess agrees. But right on the border, a hair's move flips the answer.
So the edge is basically unpredictable?
Zoom in, and the same tangled edge returns forever. Stranger still, the border is shared by all three answers at once. Pick any point on an edge, and all three colors crowd in around it.
Every single edge point?
That is wild. This is not just a pretty toy. These same answer-chasing methods run inside calculators, engines, and graphics cards. The picture is their map, where they can be trusted, and where they break down.
I will never look at solving an equation the same way.
Solve one equation, and a whole universe of answers blooms.